It's a brilliant comic conceit, but the brutally efficient heist jars us out of our comfort zone. From now on, the twists and turns carry real menace and suspense. That's whether the gang are drawing lots to see who'll dispose of the inconvenient Mrs. Wilberforce, or turning on each other in a series of murderous double crosses. With its mix of extreme characters, absurdity, and cold-blooded violence, The Ladykillers resembles nothing so much as a Coen Brothers film. And indeed, in 2004, the Coens unveiled their own ill-judged remake, transposing the story to the American South, and in the process jettisoning the very Britishness that was the key to the original's success. Ealing and Holder give the pitch black humour in an earlier and equally prescient comedy from 1949. In Kind Hearts and Coronets, Dennis Price plays Louis Mazzini, murdering his aristocratic relatives one by one to secure the inheritance he believes is rightfully his.
What could I do to hurt them? What could I take from them? Perhaps their lives.
Mazzini's cold and calculated plotting is set against the comic depiction of the Gascoigne family.
Admiral Lord Horatio, obstinate to the last, insisted on going down with his ship.
They're all played, regardless of age and gender, by Alec Guinness in one of the great turns in British cinema. Class is the big theme here, with each of the Gascoignes representing a different facet of the British establishment. And as the vengeful little man, Mazzini dispatches them with methods ranging from the ingenious to the absurd.
I shot an arrow in the air. Still worth about his whip.
Like Chaplin's remarkable Monsieur Verdoux a couple of years earlier,